thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north central Texas, Grayson County in central Texas until 6:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:59 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Texoma to Hebron, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Wiley, Sherman, Denison, Sag City, Whitesboro, Murphy, Prosper, Roy City, Anna, Fairview, Princeton, Salina, Lucas, Parker, and Farmersville. These storms have a history of producing wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Johnson County in southeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Lane County in